Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Taurus sign, Taurus ascendants, Krittike 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Rohini, Mrigasisham, 1st, 2nd Padam star viewers. Your sign lord and 6th house lord will be in Cancer till July 16th and on July 17th he moves to Leo. As your sign lord is in 4th house, there won't be any hindrance for your comforts and luxuries. There may be a marked improvement in mother's health. Your efforts will be successful in the first half of the month. As Venus is your 6th house lord, you may go in for loans for the purchase of house, land and vehicles, and that may be from banks, as your 4th house is aspected over by Jupiter. Chances for purchase of ornaments and luxurious items are seen bright. Month is favorable for artists. Women will flourish both in house as well as in the office. Chances for childbirth is seen bright. Marriages may be arranged successfully this month. 2nd and 5th house lord retrograded Mercury will be in Gemini on July 7th and he transits to Cancer on July 26th. 2nd house lord in 2nd house itself ruling will make your finance flourish. So, fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Your vocation may win over laureates. Your children may flourish in education and other activities and you may feel proud about them. Chances for love is seen this month. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. 4th house lord Sun will be in the 2nd house Gemini in the first half of the month and will be in Cancer in the second half of the month. Your efforts will become successful. There may be chances for hindrance in your luxuries and comforts. Politicians may flourish, but there may be ups and downs for them. You may get the help and support from your parents. 7th and 12th house lord debilitated Mars in Cancer till July 19th and moves to Leo on July 20th. There may be chances for immovable properties like house, plots, purchase. Spouse relationship will be harmonious with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. You cannot avoid unnecessary travels and expenses. 8th and 11th house lord Jupiter in 10th house Aquarius may give you change of job, transfer of job or change of house. Jupiter aspects over 2nd house Gemini, 4th house Leo and 6th house Libra. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Your vocation will be respected everywhere. There will be an intimate situation in the family. Ailments in your health will come to an end. There is chances for clearing old debts also. 9th and 10th house lord Saturn in the 9th house Capricorn in a retrograded status. So there may be hurdles in fulfilling your desires. Saturn aspects over 11th house Pisces, 3rd house Cancer, 6th house Libra. You may have to take care of your father's health. There may be some problems in getting the unexpected profits. There may be barricades in fulfilling your long-lasting desires. Be cautious in the financial matters and don't stand as surety for anyone. Business, trade and career will be normal. There may be chances for travel on business. Involve yourself religiously, spiritually along with yoga and meditation, as Dragon Ketu is in your 7th house Scorpio and Dragon Rahu is in your sign. Worshipping of Lord Shiva and Mahalakshmi will be beneficial for Taurus. Month begins with 3rd house Lord Moon in 11th house Pisces. Moon moves to 8th house on July 22nd and 23rd. On these days, avoid new ventures, travel, and controversy. Be cautious while driving vehicles. If your ascendant falls in the same sign, the said prediction may be taken. Otherwise, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, present dasa bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanitam. Planetary status as on July 7th, Mercury moves to Gemini. From there, on July 26th, Mercury moves to Cancer. July 16th, Sun moves to Cancer. July 17th, Venus moves to Leo. July 20th, Mars moves to Leo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.